Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your second class of English Communications 1. I hope everybody's keeping safe. I hope you're drinking your water, you're taking your vitamin C, you're wearing your mask, you're getting some sun, and you're trying to keep healthy as possible, and you're staying home. So I just hope that everybody's safe during this difficult time. Okay, I have an announcement. I hope everyone was able to go to e-class and check the announcement. I sent you an attachment of the books, what books you need to buy. In case you forgot, it looks like this. And that's the student book, that's the workbook, and then the student book looks like this. They look the same, but one is written English book and the other is written workbook. So I hope you are able to see that and that you're able to buy the books, the student book as well as the workbook. By third class, when I make the next video, I hope that everyone has their books because it's going to help you. Everything we study is from our books, and the workbook mainly is where we do homework. Okay, thank you. I know that everyone will get their books, and thank you very much for the people that already have their books. Okay, I also have a homework announcement. Thank you, everyone. I get your homework, I get your emails. It's just that I cannot respond to each and everyone to say I got your email, but I do get your homework and I do check it. So good job. And also the assignments, I do check it. Okay, so keep up the good work. All right, okay, so if you have your books, everyone, let's go to page 4. Let's turn to page 4. Okay, I'm also turning in my book to page 4. Okay. Okay, so in page 4, we have a conversation that you're supposed to practice with your partner. I will read out, there's two parts, there's Marco and there's Kelly. I will read out the parts, right? And I want you guys to repeat after me. I think that's the best thing. Repeat after me. And remember, when we repeat, I do this, that means it's your turn to repeat. Okay, all right, so we have Marco and we have Kelly. Marco: hi, my name's Marco. What's your name? Hi, my name's Marco. What's your name? Kelly: hi, Marco. My name's Kelly. Hi, Marco. My name's Kelly. Good job. Marco: so where are you from, Kelly? So where are you from, Kelly? Kelly: I'm from Toronto. How about you? I'm from Toronto. How about you? Marco: I'm from San Diego, California. I'm from San Diego, California. Good job. Okay, so now that that's done, okay, now you have to practice again. Practice alone at home and repeat. And you be both Marco and Kelly, okay? It's good for you to just practice out loud and repeat, okay? If you like, you can stop my recording, stop my video, play it again, play it back, listen to me and repeat if that's easier for you, okay? So you will do that and practice. Okay, good job. All right, now we are going to, yesterday we did number 1, which was pronunciation. So now we're going to go to page 5, language practice. Page 5, language practice. and we are practicing statements with be. Statements with be. Okay. All right. I am just going to read. Please look in your book. If you don't have your book, please repeat after me, okay? But as I said, by next class, I'm expecting that everyone will have their books, okay? It's just better that way. All right. Okay, I will say and you will repeat. I'm. Your. His. She's. We're. There. Good job. Okay. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to say the next phrases, right? And you just repeat after me. Okay. I am. You are. He is. She is. We are. They are. Good job. Okay, as you see in your book, the statements changes, okay? They change to a different thing, okay? So now I am going to say I am, and then I will say what I am changes to, okay? I am. Okay, so you guys can repeat. I am changes to I'm. Good. I am changes to I'm. Good. You are changes to your. You are changes to your. He is changes to his. He is changes to his. She is changes to she's. She is changes to she's. We are changes to we're. We are changes to we're. They are changes to their. They are changes to their. Okay, good job. All right, let's look at some possessive adjectives. It's also in our books on page 5, okay? Just repeat after me. My. Your. His. Her. Our. Their. Okay, all right. There's some sentences that has examples down here. So I'm going to read them and you will repeat. I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. He isn't from Brazil. He's from the USA. Good job. He isn't from Brazil. He's from the USA. Good job. They aren't teachers, they students. They aren't teachers, they're students. Good job. Okay, right. I want everybody to have a notepad as usual because this is classwork, or you just fill in your answers, right? So you have to complete the sentences for number 1, number 2, and number 3, and that's on page 5. Complete the sentences, number 1, number 2, and number 3, okay? So it's this one here, this one, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So complete that. And then when you finish, you'll just type it out and send it to me as homework. Okay, good job. Okay, now just gonna give you a moment to do that. Okay, right. So if you have your books, we are going to turn to page 5. Or not page 5, sorry, we finished page 5. We're going to go to page 6. Now we're going to go to page 6. Yes. Gonna go to page 6 and we're going to look at the conversation, okay? Conversation, you have to please fill in the correct words, okay? Complete the conversation by filling in the correct words, okay? So it's this page here, and here we can see the conversation. Okay. All right. Okay. So you will do that at home, and it's part of your classwork, okay? It's part of your classwork, written work, okay? Right. So when you're finished, we are going to practice the vocabulary box. Okay, we're going to practice what's in the vocabulary box. Please repeat after me. A is friend. Friend. B is how are you? How are you? And C is fine. Fine. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to give you a moment. Please look at the conversation and think what words fit into the boxes, okay? Fill in the correct words, okay? So when you're finished doing that, filling in the correct words, we are okay. Okay. So when you're finished, we're just gonna quickly look at the instructions. So you have Kelly and you have Marco, and they are having a conversation, and you have to just fill in the correct words. Okay, right. And then number 2 is pair work, but you don't have a partner. So you will have to do this one alone and pretend that you have a partner. Okay, so let's look at some of the conversation ideas that we can use, and that's for number 2, right? In our books, same page, page 6, number 2. Okay. All right, so we have how are things? So that's the question, and then the person can answer and say things are great. And then we have the second one, How's it going? It just means the same as how is everything? How is everything? How are you doing? Right? And the answer is number 2, not bad. Okay? Right. And then you have the people that are having the conversation. The first conversation is a classmate and a brother. Okay? So, yeah. So you practice that. Okay. So, one more time. Right? You will repeat. How are things? Things are great. How's it going? Not bad. Okay, good job. Okay, so you will be able to do that. Okay, all right. So moving on now, when you're finished that should take you about a minute or two. When you're finished that, you have to do your homework, okay? And in order to do your homework, as I told you before, you need your workbook, which looks like this, okay? It has written on it, workbook. You need your workbook, and then you'll be able to do your homework. So I'm going to give you 2 things that you need to do. As usual, you need to finish your classwork, which is based on the book. I will give you that in case you don't have the book. So I will write out some things for you, and then your homework is based on your workbook. All right. And as usual, I'm going to send you guys LMS with your homework. Please check that. Check your announcements from LMS. Very important. Okay, that's that. Okay, make sure that all of that is done. Okay, good job for today, guys. Great job. I hope you enjoyed your class, and I'm going to see you next lesson. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll be sending you homework. So everybody, please make sure that you check your messages. Have a nice day and stay safe. Okay, bye everyone.